Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable floating window on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, first of all, just open any app on your smartphone. Now from here, just open the recent apps section. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app which you want to open in a floating window. Now just drag the app to the center of the screen, just like that. Now from here, if you drag this window from this bar at the top of the window, you can move the window across the screen, just like that. And also you can resize the size of this window if you drag it in and out from any side of the window, just like that. And this is how you can enable floating window on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.